Okay, so now that I have my portfolio's main page the way that I want it to, you can see I've adjusted the background, I did add a picture, I wrote a little intro of what I plan to achieve with my Google Sites. So I'm going to add a page, and in order to do that, you go up to the right hand corner, you click Pages, and you click this little plus button. Okay, so I am going to put Knife Skills in there because that's going to be my first page. I'm going to click Done. Once it adds itself, you can reorder the way that you want them. Okay, so if I really wanted Knife Skills to be up above my home page, I could do that. I can also nest it within my home page. So if I drag it up and put it underneath home, okay, then you'll see that it would go down like that, and I would have to click down to get to it. Okay, I want it to be a separate page so that I can click on my Google site between home and Knife Skills.